we have more news coming in as far as the controversy over SIR is concerned here. This is the development. We're reporting from the Supreme Court, with the court issuing orders on Election Commission's SIR exercise. Supreme Court says revision to continue till last date of nominations. Court has clarified, or claimed rather, objections can be filed post 30th of September. This is what the Apex Court has said as far as the exercise of the Election Commission of India overall revision is concerned. The court has spoken about the fact that the revision is going to last, is till the last date of the nominations in that sense. The Supreme Court of India issuing an order on Election Commission's SIR exercise. I'm going to go straight across to Anisha Mathur for more details on that. Anisha, break this down for us. What has the court really said?
Well, Sneha, this is what the court has noted from the Election Commission stand. The Election Commission, through Senior Advocate Rakesh Dwivedi, has told the Supreme Court very clearly that while the draft electoral rolls are being published, while the process of claims and objections is on, and the last date to file claims and objections is the 30th of September, because the final electoral rolls will be published on the 1st of October, the Election Commission has also stated on its note in the Supreme Court that even if people continue to file claims and objections, they will continue to take it. This is a very important development, remember, because so far the concerns raised by the petitioners have been that as on 30th of September, if anybody has not filled in their form or has not given in the full documents, then they will not be able to be included in the electoral rolls. Now, today the Election Commission, before the Supreme Court, has clarified that even after the final rolls are published on the 1st of October, people who filed their claims and objections, that process will continue. And the revisions will continue till the last date of filing of nominations. And that is why the Supreme Court, remember, the political parties, the NGOs, all of them had come to the Supreme Court saying, well, you need to extend the period of time for filing claims and nominations, because with the 1st September deadline, people will not be able to file the documents in time. Today, the EC has said that, well, that deadline must be kept, because even if they file it later, we will still continue to consider their applications. Now, this is going to be very interesting to watch, Sneha, because on one side is the fact that there is a deadline of the 30th of September for the draft rolls to be published, to be finalized, that as of 1st of September, the time period for filing claims and nominations is now over. But the Election Commission is telling the Supreme Court that, well, we are still taking the forms. We will continue to revise the electoral rolls till the last date of nomination filing. So we'll have to see how this works out on the ground. The court, of course, saying that, well, if there is a trust deficit, and give me just 10 more seconds, the court is saying if there is a trust deficit with how the BLOs and BLAs are behaving, the court has now asked the paralegal volunteers of the district legal services authorities to help people file their nominations online. Back to you.
All right, leaving it to that for the moment. Anisha Mathur getting us those details and putting that story from the Supreme Court of India into perspective.